Hello, Nantucket. I'm Gary Shaw, President and CEO of Nantucket Cottage Hospital.
And I'm Roberto Santamaria, the Director of Health and Human Services for the town of Nantucket.
We want to share an important message with the island community. Over the past 72 hours, we have seen a spike in cases of COVID-19. Individuals who have tested positive for COVID-19 are being contacted for information about their individual contacts. We ask that if you receive a phone call from a contact tracer, that you answer their questions thoroughly and truthfully, and cooperate with the case investigation, as well as complying with all isolation and quarantine procedures. Contact tracing is among the strongest tools we have to prevent the spread of the virus in our population.
However, we also want to emphasize that the island is now experiencing community spread of the coronavirus. This morning, the Nantucket Health Department reported that 12 of the 14 new cases are individuals who live on Nantucket. The majority of those who have tested positive work in the trades, including landscaping, construction, carpentry, and painting, as well as cleaning, and are traveling to workplaces together. This is an important reminder to enforce COVID-19 protocols at job sites and at businesses.
Now is the time for everyone on Nantucket to take personal responsibility and to do your part to keep our island safe. It takes the whole community to do this. We are asking Nantucketers to recommit to the precautions and safety measures that we know have worked over the spring and summer. Maintain vigilance and wear a mask when you go out in public. Continue physical distancing and hand washing as much as possible. We're asking you to avoid large gatherings with people who you do not live with and stay home when possible. We can all cheer for the Patriots on Sunday, but we ask you to do so with your immediate families rather than gathering in large groups or parties to watch the game.
If you are experiencing symptoms of COVID-19, please come to the Nantucket Cottage Hospital drive-thru for evaluation. If you have been in close contact with someone who has a confirmed case of COVID-19, which means being within 6 feet or less for more than 15 minutes with or without wearing a mask, please come to the drive-thru to be evaluated by one of the hospital providers. All other testing of asymptomatic individuals is done through an appointment only, and individuals without symptoms can apply to be tested on the hospital or town's website. The hospital is currently experiencing a high volume of individuals seeking testing, so please do not show up simply because you have had secondary contact with another person who may have been exposed to one of the new confirmed cases. It is critical that this community spread of the virus be contained so that our high-risk population stays safe and our hospital does not become overwhelmed.
Once again, let's recommit to the measures we know will keep our community safe, and thank you, Nantucket.